am studying new chapter in Math, chapter 2. Chapter name is Fun with the Numbers. So now I will start firstly from Roman numbers. Some Roman number is there, but it is a important Roman numbers. But you write down 1 to 100 themselves. Is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One Roman number have a I. Two Roman number is a double I. Third Roman number triple I. Fourth Roman number I B. 5 B. 6 B I. 7 B double I. 8 B triple I. 9 I X. 10 X. So when you start a new row number 11 or 12 or 13, because have a there 10, so write down 11. 11 have a 10, so write down that 10 is X, and one row number is 1, so write down 1. Now some important numbers is there, mean that 20 is there, 30, so 20 have a double X, 30 have a triple X. But change in the 40 Roman number X and L. 50 have a L, 60 LX, 70 L double X, 80 L triple X, 90 also change X C, because 100 have a C Roman number. So now there is a change. So highlight is there, underline is there also when the change Roman number. Look at here is a change, so I underline. Underline also there. Here is change, so also there is a underline. Underline also. And then more there changes in a Roman number, so underline is there. Because 100 have a C, so 200 have a double C. 300 have a triple C. 400 have a CD. 500 D. 500 have changed the number, so D. 600 DC. 700 D double C. 800 D triple C. 900 also change C M, because M have a 1000. Change is there, so also change in a 900. Some example is there. If you write down 31 number, so firstly write down the 30. 30 what is? Triple X. So write down triple X here, and 1 have a 1 I. So write down I. 79. 70 have a L double X. So write down L double X. And 9 row number is IX. So write down IX. So some Roman numbers also write down example in there. So complete your Roman number and you will try 1 to 100 Roman numbers. Now write in expand form. Expand form means that you have a 750. So you write down in ones, tens and hundreds. 700, 700 is here, 50 is here, and ones have a 0, so 0 is a there. 897, so write down here 800 plus 90 and plus 7. When you added this number, you got it 897. So there is short form. So some number is there in a expand form, but you write down in a short form. How? 900. There is 948. When you write down in short form, 948. Also 629. In write down short form, 629. 110, 1. When you write down in short form, 111. 859. When you write down short form, 859. 59. So it is a short form. Now there is an expand form and here is a short form. When you have a short form, write down in expand form, and when have you expand form, write down in a short form. Okay, that's clear. So I will, students, we will learn in this time counting tens, counting in fifties. Write before number, write between number, and write after number. So if you count in tens, 10 is here, 20, 30. How you get it? So if you added in 10, here number is there, 10 is there, and added by 10, you get a 20. Next 20 added by 10, you get a 30. So follow it and you have a next number according 10. Like this, 30 plus 10, 40, 40 plus 10, 50, 50 plus 10, 60, 60 plus 10, 70, 80 plus 10, 90, 90 plus 10, 100. Same thing here, when you added by 10 in number, you will get a next number, and 120, 130, 140, and these number also, yeah, any other number also. Clear? So now counting in 50s. When you counting in 50s, so then you added by 50. In each number you have a number, next number. You okay? 200 is here. 200 is here, and added by 50, 0 and 0, 0. 0 added by 5, 5, and 2 is there. What number will you get? 250, 250 write down here. So next number if you want, so then again 50 added by 50 in this number, 0 and 0 is there, 5 and 5 when you added have a 10, 10 have a 0 is there, 1 carry is there. When 1 added by 2, then you have the 3. So write down this number is here. So these number when you added by 50, you have a next number. Clear, students? If any confusion, then again check it in this method and follow it. Now write before numbers. Before numbers mean that when you count 1, 2, 3, 4, anyone asking you, 5 before number is 4, and 4 before number is 3, and 3 before number is 2. But you have a second method. If any confusion you have, then subtracted by 1 which number you want. Mean that here is 812. So when you have a write down firstly 812 and subtract by minus 1. So if you subtract it there 1, so you have a next number. 2 minus 1, 1. And 1 is there. No any subtraction, so write down 8. What number you have? 811. 811 write down here. Same thing here. You have a 194. So if you learn to 194 before number is 193. But you have any confusion, so then subtract by 1. So you have a before, just before a number. You also told just before. Because 190 before number is more number is there, but you want a just before, so subtract by minus 1 and you have a number which number you want. So some example is there. You will try. Now write between numbers. Between number mean that simple form in accounting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Anyone asking you? Keep 5 and 7 between what number? So you also simply told to everyone ki is a 6. And anyone asking you ki 11 and 13 between number is 12. It's a simple now. So like this also simple is here. But have you any confusion? So you have a two choice. What? If you between number write down here, so count the number 520 is here, 520 is there. So 521 in a between number. But any confusion? So again you have a solution. Added by 1. Added by when you added by 1, so you have a 521. And second choice, before number you want to subtract by minus subtract by 1, so you have a 521. So between number you find in a two method. If you want a 1 added, so you have a number in the there is a 1 add. If you want a subtract, so 1 subtract is here. So you have a 521. This number is here. So some example is there. And next number is right after number. After mean that उस नंबर के बाद में, जैसे कि mean that asking you anyone कि 7 after number is 7 after number is more number is there, but you have a just after number. So just after number when you find, then added by 1. So added by 1 in this number. When you added by 1 in this number, how? 734. When you added by 1, you have a number 4 and 1, 5. Very good. 3 and 7. So you have a next number is a 735. Just after number. Some example is there. So students, today I learned you something, but in this chapter is the more thing I will tell you in our next video. So thank you students. If any confusion, then look at this video. Thank you students. Some homework is there.